हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। माय नेम इज़ साक्षी। आज मैं आपके सामने वोकैबुलरी के कुछ नए वर्ड्स डिस्कस कर रही हूँ। द फर्स्ट इज़ हैटिव, प्रेज एंड एडमिटेशनल। द सेकेंड इज़ कैच अप, टू रीच द सेम क्वालिटी और स्टैंडर्ड एज समवन और समथिंग एल्स। द थर्ड इज़ रग्ड, स्ट्रॉन्ग और पावरफुल। द फोर्थ इज़ लिंगरिंग, prolonged, lengthy, protected, interminable, spun out, overlong. The fifth is common sense, to begin. The sixth is thrived on, to become successful. The next is rode on, to on someone for success. The next is dished out, to distribute something. The next is struck a blow, to do something that spots or defend something. The next is incarcerated, to put or keep someone in prison. The next is garrulous, excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. The next is abetted, to help or encourage someone to do something wrong or illegal. The next is pave the way, to make something possible. The next is trust, quick, fast, hasty, promote, rapid, hurried, etc. The next is Vedanta, a prolonged bitter quarrel or companion against someone. The next is whataboutery, the practice of repeatedly blaming the other side and referring to events from the past. The next is shed light, to explain something in order to make it easier to understand. Thank you.